At the foot of the Lo Barnechea Mountains in Chile, a modular residence offers a new perspective on small-scale living. It was designed as part of a housing concept that prioritizes human connection while maintaining a close relationship with nature. Its placement uses an organic approach inspired by the phenomenon of botanical indifference, where tree canopies grow without touching each other while still creating harmony within the forest. From the exterior, the building displays a simple form, clad in warm-toned pine. Large glass openings provide abundant natural light while strengthening the visual connection with the surrounding landscape. Extending terraces expand the living space, creating a seamless transition between the interior and exterior. The overall appearance feels clean, bright, and warm, thanks to the dominant use of natural materials. Entering the interior, each space is designed to create a sense of spaciousness despite its compact size. Frameless doors, tall windows, and an efficient layout allow light and circulation to flow freely throughout. One of the most striking elements is the steel staircase, inspired by Japanese origami folds, which provide sculptural character without compromising the space's functionality. The interior emphasizes simplicity, making every corner comfortable for everyday use. More than just a tiny house, this project demonstrates how modular architecture can create a more humane environment. The units are arranged to create walkways, gathering spaces, and a connected community without sacrificing privacy. Tiny house proves that size doesn't dictate the quality of a home. With thoughtful design, warm materials, and a strong connection to nature, this modest home provides a living experience that feels spacious, serene, and meaningful.